we are using different type of operating system in different devices as our requirements and hardware compatibility. Some users like to install different type of operating system in a different devices, and some users like to install different type of operating system and customize it and modify it as it according to his use and according to his hardware compatibility. And if you want to know about RAM flashing and how to install any or modify any operating system and custom operating system and custom OS, custom ROMs or Hackintos, then watch this video till end and I will try to tell you everything about these topics which is can helpful for understanding these topics.
Subscribe the Developer Vikas channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest video updates and notification about uploaded lectures, tricks, deals and other informations.
Hello friends, I am Vikas and you are watching Developer Vikas. So without wasting of time, let's start the video. Hackintos. First we start from Hackintos. Hackintos is a nothing but the modification of Macintosh. As I told that the Hackintos is a modification of Macintosh. Macintosh, we know that the Macintosh is a Mac OS which is developed by the Apple, and it is forbidden to install any other device except Apple's own device. Means if you want to install the Apple's operating system like Mac OS or iOS, then you have to purchase Apple is device, and there was no way to install Apple is operating system in other devices. But some people who all break these rules and installs this operating system into all type of devices by its modification and customization, that is called Hackintos. Means you are breaking the rules of the copyrights and the company rules which forbids, and that is called Hackintos. But there are the many disadvantages of Hackintos because it is not developed by the obviously Apple is company. Then there was many disadvantages like there are many crashes, bug reports, and no system is not running smoothly, and many crashes sometimes it appears at a black dump window, black screen. I have already told about. Sometimes your system get be broken and other issues. And also you are unable to connect from the internet, because if you connected, then it will also verify you that you have installed the different type of ES operating system in different device. Then you can be fined for this. And this is the total about Hackintosh and Macintosh. You already know that the Mac OS is known as Macintosh. It is developed by the Apple's its own software. It is nothing. And we are told about the ROM flashing. RAM flashing means installing custom ROMs in your phones. We know that our phones, we are using Android phone, Windows phone, Java phones and other type phones, and we know that every phones have is our operating system. And suppose if you are purchasing a Redmi Note 4, then it have its own operating system which is modified by Xiaomi called MIUI. If you want to replace this MIUI with own customization on other custom ROMs like Cyanogen mods and other custom ROMs, then you have to first download the bootloader app and install it. Then after you have to download the custom ROM image file, and just you have to do nothing, that put it into memory card, and from the bootloader section you can easily select the image file, and after you get it, the custom ROM will get installed and your MUI get removed. As your compatibility, you can use any custom OS in your Android OS. But there was many disadvantages of custom ROMs. Custom ROMs is not obviously developed by the phone is owner company. Means if you are installing custom ROMs, then there was also many bug reports, lags and other crash. But if you are installing custom ROMs, then there was some features will also get extended in your device. Some features also get extended with some extra features you can find like root access. If you are installing a custom ROM, then it is most important that your phone be get rooted. I have already told you about what is rooting, and this is the about total Mac OS, sorry, custom ROMs and how to flash ROMs. And now I will try to tell you about how to install any operating system in your computer or PC. If you want to install any type of operating system in your custom PC like Hackintos and others, then you have to first download the image file of the from the internet, which is in a ISO format. .iso is a extension for this file. You have to download. Then you have to download power ISO, and after installing this application, you have to select the image file of this. And now you have to create a bootable USB disk image. And after this, you have to just turn off your PC and you have to turn. If you are using Intel based processor or Intel based motherboards, then you have to just press to F10. You can already get a select a bootable device. You can select easily your pen drive, and after booting you can easily install the Windows as you install any program, and like you install any program. And if you are not using any type of other Intel based processor, then you have to press delete button or F12. After this, after pressing this, you will enter to boot menu, and after entering in boot menu, you will find standard BIOS features, other BIOS feature. In this, here was an option that does select the boot boot primary boot device and secondary boot device. You have to select primary boot device as hard disk and secondary boot device as a pen drive. And after this, you have to save and exit. And after exiting this, your phone pen drive will get booted. And after booting, you can easily install the any type of operating system in your device. And now I am going to tell you about how to customize and modify any operating system as your requirements. There are many ways of customizing any operating systems, and there are many distribution of Linux OS. I have already told you what it is also modified by the many developers, and it is also customized, but is the totally main based on the Linux kernel and Debian based. So it is modified operating system in nothing but the collection of programs. So if you are installing any type of operating system, it is like any type of Linux distributions, it is all the same, only some programs are different. So if you are want to customize, you have to just select different type of programs which is not present in this OS, and you can remove the additional Windows package. And after this, you have to add these features, and you have to modify or create a own theme. And after this, you have all to merge these things, and now your own operating modified operating system is get ready. You can easily install it and enjoy. And I am going to tell you about how to your desktop look like a Mac OS. Watch tomorrow this video, and I am going to tell you about how can you are able to use our desktop legally as macOS without any copyright or forbidden rules. I have explained everything about this in tomorrow video. So watch tomorrow for about customization of Windows in macOS. So if you have learned anything about custom ROMs, installing Windows, installing custom ROMs and Hackintos and Macintosh, then like this video, comment, share and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.